Right, it's Teacher Max here on day 17 on the Speak English Freely Challenge. All right, so as I said earlier on, it's day 17, and today we are going to be talking about present continuous examples. Yesterday we spoke about the introduction of present continuous. We said what it was, and we're just going to recap. It's an action that is happening now or frequently or may continue into the future. All right, this is basically a very simple way of actually doing it. So it's what is happening now. All right, okay, not this present simple. Present simple, people confuse the present simple with the present continuous. All right, and you should know that the present simple is not what's happening now. It's not used to actually display an action that is happening now. It is a present continuous. All right. Okay, so how do we use it? Let's look at the formula. All right, there are three ways you can use it. The first one, you use I am. You add I am. Okay, and that's when you add it when you are talking about yourself. That means singular, when specifically I. Okay, so if I say I drink water, all right, if I'm drinking water now, I am drinking water. We're going to do an example with that. And remember, it's always in reference with I. If the sentence is about me, I, it's going to start with I. It is always going to be I am. Okay. Second way you can use it is if you are, instead of talking about me, you're talking about someone else and you use their name. All right. You use their name and then you use the helping verb called is. Max is doing this. Natasha is doing that. Vanessa is doing that. All right. Okay. Then the last one is you use are, but you only use are in when the sentence is plural, when there's more than one person. Okay. So there are two ways you could use it. You could use it when you are specifically talking about a collective noun, such as teachers, all right, or lions are doing this. Uh, what engineers are doing that, all right. And then you can also use it with another plural where you're using we are doing this. So for singular, when there's one person, one noun, it's always I am, or is. If it's a plural, more than one, it will always be are. All right. Then the last part is that the verb that follows these words always has an ing. All right. You can't say I is drinking water. I am drink water. It doesn't work like that. I am drinking water. All right. So the verb that follows these words here always has an ing on it. All right. So let us look at four examples, which are classic, which display how this actually works. All right. So the first one is we're going to talk about self. I am drinking water. All right. Then the second one is Max is running so fast. Max is running so fast. Natasha is writing her homework. Then the next one is we use are, which is plural. Teachers are shouting. Lions are roaring. Cars are beautiful. You know, so that's one way. And then another way is we are singing together. All right, we are playing together. All right, so that is how the simple present continuous works, and it should just give you a basic idea of how it works, and it's as simple as that. All right, it is used most of the time to show things which are happening at the same time. All right, so let's just say I am reading a book while I'm drinking water. See, those two things are continuous. That's when we use it to show that simultaneous things are happening at the same time. That is the main use of present continuous. Right, but that's the long way of understanding it, but it's mainly to display things which are happening now. All right, so tomorrow we're gonna go with to the mistake that you need to avoid when you're using past continuous, and that will be also simple to go through. Otherwise, this is relatively the easiest. Well, I think in the continuous tenses are relatively the easiest to understand and apply, provided you have the right knowledge. Okay, otherwise, Max is here to help you speak English freely and fluently. Thank you so much. I'll see you on day 18. And yeah, let us just keep learning how to speak English together. Otherwise, have a great day and see you tomorrow. Bye.